Hi everyone, Tofata here from Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today we're talking informal greetings. So you are young, you are hip. You don't want to be talking to people as if you're talking to old people, especially if you're talking to young people and they are your age mates. If you are an older person trying to talk to young people and trying to sound hip, it just doesn't come across well. So this video is for the young people. How you define young, that's on you. But for the young people who want to sound young and hip while they are talking to other people. And these are actual greetings, right? How you say hello. Now, remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. So, in Setswana, the formal greetings are dumela ma, hello ma'am, dumela ra, hello sir, dumelang, which is plural, also respectful, or dumela, which is just hi. But you might want to say, eta. Eta is like, hi, who's it? How's it? Which obviously is very English. How's it is like, how you doing? How you at? How are you? Right? Eta, who's it? Eta hojwang. Eta hojwang. That's like, yo, what's up? Eta hojwang. Eta dintang. Yo, what's happening? Diring, what are they saying? Eta diring, what are they saying? Eta dintang. So those are not things that kind of roll out of my tongue. Not because I'm not young and hip, because clearly I'm young and hip. But yeah, I don't know. So eta is the main thing. Then so eta eta dintang. Then you answer shapu di ring. Shapu is like, oh good. Di ring is like, it's okay on my end. How is it on your end? So eta dintang. Hi, what's up? Shapu di ring is what you would say and answer, which means I'm all good. How's it on your end? What's up on your end? Okay? Eta. Another way is to say ekse. Ekse is kind of like, I think it's derived from an Afrikaans word. And it's kind of like used to say what's up, but also excuse me. It's just used in that kind of gap. So ekse, right? Ekse is like, what's up? And then when you think you have all the informal ways to say hi, then you get another greeting where it's just like, otherwise. Otherwise, yeah, you meet someone, usually a young person, and you can say otherwise. And obviously it's just otherwise, like in English, otherwise. But it's kind of saying, what's happening? What's been up with you? How are you at? You know, all the things. What's up? Otherwise. And that's all you have to do. Look at someone in the eyes, maybe raise your eyebrows and say, otherwise. And then they will tell you their life story of what's been happening with them and how they act, you know. Now, you know how to be young and hip and informally greet people in Setswana. Hope you put that into practice and tell me how it goes. Hope you're not too old where you then get a side eye. Don't blame me. I did say this is for young and hip people. Until next time. Bye.